Okay, here's some ice. And some people say if you put tin foil over a cup of ice, it would melt quicker. So, and put it in a warm room on a video. So, here we go. I'm waiting for a while. It'll take a long while. And I can hear something. Okay, so it worked. You can see. Just not the best idea, but yeah, you can see it melted. And it melted. So the experiment did work. So yeah. Please leave a like down below and a comment and subscribe. Oh, and by the way, the ice melted in 4 minutes, but it normally melts in 7 or 8 minutes. Which I cut off short because I heard some upstairs. Bye.